Okay, in this short video, what we're going to do is just show you the e-signature system. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and use this client here. And what I want to do is I want to add a document. And what I'll do is I shall select documents. And we've got one called Design Brief, which we'll just drag in, and it's a guide, and save that. That's now been uploaded. We can see it there at the top. What I want to do now is get that signed, so I'm going to go to e-sign, and you can now see the document. So this could be a multiple page document, and you would be able to allow multiple people by adding various clients here to make signatures where you place them on the different pages. What I'm going to do is just put 3 signatures of mine here on the page. I want one there, and I've selected that one. I want one here, and again I can just move it, and I'll have one here. Okay. I'm happy that's where I want them. I know that this is all for Craig Finch, but it could be multiple directors or it could be multiple people, and they would each then be sent the document when I save it to their phones, where each could actually sign it or go onto the web, have a look at the document and sign it there. Let's save and send that. So I brought up the mobile phone on the screen here, and what we can see is that I've got a new agreement is available to review. So if I click on that, you'll see now that we have a new section, agreements ready to sign. So all I need to do now is download. Now, because this is the first time I'm downloading an agreement to sign, it knows it has or it hasn't got my signature. So when I press download and I press open, I can view the document as such. But what I can then do is, as soon as I hit sign, it will know that I haven't signed my signature. So what I'll do is, with my finger, I can sign my signature, and I'm happy with that, so I'll save that. So you get this docket to let you know that the document is compliant. I simply say that I understand and agree, and I'm happy to sign that document. Congratulations, the document has been signed. Now what you see automatically that the agreements to sign has disappeared and it's been replaced with agreements completed. If I now download that document, you will see that that will have my signatures on, and it's as simple as that. Let me tell you about a clever thing in the way this works as well. A clever bit of technology we've employed with the signatures is that your document actually never exists unencrypted. Your signatures are also fully encrypted, and the only time that they become unencrypted is when they're stenciled onto the document. So the fact is that this document only compiles when all the signatories have signed. Up until that point, nobody can even see the document because it only exists in memory on the server as an encrypted string. So that's as secure as you can get. Okay, so we've gone back into the client folder here with documents. We can see here that this document has been completed. This is in here obviously now, and it's also completed on the customer's phone and stored on their device. But you're able then, you can see, to chat about the document if you need to, and you can see how many times it's been downloaded, etc. Another nice feature of the signature package is that when you go to agreements, you can see who signed it, when it was created, the fact that it's completed, and what we've also done is had the system create dockets so that you've got some defensibility and you've got a digital record of that. So let's just create a docket for this agreement, and there you go. You see you have all the information there along with the fingerprints for the signed document, the original document, and of course what devices were used at signature, what IP address. So you've got all the information there that you need for attaching to any files. Obviously the customer, if they want to view documents and deal with them on the web instead of the phone, they can do. So I'm just going to quickly log into this as the customer, because this is their customer side. We'll put the password in, the code, business, and we'll log in. Okay, so I've logged in. You can see that I haven't got all the functionality that the admin person had. This is just the web version for the customer if they don't want to use the mobile phone. Obviously I can go to agreements, and the same thing applies. You can see this time that it's the person who signed the document, so it knows that. And obviously they can be downloaded. If I download the document, we can have a look at that, and you'll see that that's with all the signatures on. And if I was to then create docket, I can do the same thing so that I also have a copy of that information.